If you're going to take the Arkansas Residential and Commercial Floors and Floor Covering Contractor exam and you want to pass on your first try, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down what this exam really tests you on, the exact reference books you're allowed to use, key strategies to avoid common mistakes, and how to study smarter, not longer. This is an open book exam, but don't let that fool you. Most people fail because they don't know how to use their books efficiently, so let's fix that. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for either the Arkansas residential or commercial floors and floor covering contractor exam, then stay tuned because I'll be giving you a special discount code on all Arkansas prep materials towards the end of this short video. So what is an Arkansas residential or commercial floor contractor? It is a licensed specialty contractor regulated by the Arkansas Contractors Licensing Board who's authorized to install, repair, replace, and restore flooring systems in both either residential or commercial buildings. This classification focuses on floor installation and restoration, covering a wide range of materials and techniques, including floor installation, floor recovery and restoration, tile and specialty flooring systems, or commercial flooring systems in the commercial side. The project scope can apply for residential homes, apartments, or remodels, and on the commercial side, retail, offices, and industrial spaces. So both exams are going to be covering the same thing. Whether you're going for the residential or commercial, it's going to be testing you. You have 30 questions for each exam. They're 75 minutes each. You need a 70% passing score. And the areas of topics that are going to be covered, you're going to have plan reading and systems for 4 questions, general tile knowledge for 6, grouting and finishing for 3, adhesives for 3, tile installation at 6, terrazzo at 4, and safety for 4. To apply for the Arkansas contractor license in this classification, you're going to need the relevant job experience, you're going to need to pass the exams, and you're going to need to file an application. So let's walk through the exact books you're going to be tested on and how they're typically used on the exam. You have the Code of Federal Regulations 29 CFR Part 1926, that's your OSHA book, and that's going to cover fall protection, scaffolding, ladders, personal protective equipment, PPE, etc. You have the ANSI A108, which is going to be the specification for installation of ceramic tile, and it's an industry standard reference covering technical specifications for ceramic tile installation. Next will be Handbook for Ceramic Glass and Stone Installation 2017, a comprehensive guide covering best practices for installing ceramic, glass, and stone tile systems. Next will be Setting Tile, a practical guide that explains tile installation fundamentals, including layout planning, cutting techniques, setting methods, grouting, and finishing practices. Finally, you'll have the terrazzo specification design guide. It provides technical standards and design guidance for terrazzo flooring systems, including materials, installation procedures, finishing methods, and maintenance practices. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They study content instead of navigation. Your prep should focus on tabbing and highlighting, time practice, and learning which book answers which question. Here's how successful students approach this exam. They tab and highlight their books properly. They practice finding answers, not memorizing them. They skip the tough questions first. Don't second guess yourself, and understand the exam format before test day. No two contractors study the same way. That's why One Exam Prep offers multiple exam prep options designed to fit every learning style, schedule, and budget. Whether you want quick practice or a complete done-for-you solution, here's how to choose the right package. We have the online course, which is going to walk you through every exam topic step by step. The book set is going to be the official reference materials approved for the exam. The Highlight and Tab book set is a game changer. Your books will arrive professionally highlighted and tabbed so you can find the answers fast under exam pressure. The book rental is everything we just talked about, the course plus the Highlight and Tab book package, and you get a refundable deposit back at the end when you return the books. The ultimate package is exactly everything we just talked about, but adding the application service, which is really important, and this is our most popular package. And finally, the one package, the all access solution, includes everything we just talked about, but we will also set up your business and full support from start to finish. So no matter where you're starting, One Exam Prep has a path that fits for you. Use code AR10CF at checkout for 10% off any of these packages, and we have both the commercial and residential packages. So if you set up your exam correctly and train for speed, passing the residential or commercial floors and floor covering contractor exam on your first try is very doable. If you want a guided study plan, practice support, and a proven system to get through this exam faster, check out One Exam Prep resources below. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more contractor videos. We'll see you in the next one.